The web is changing fast, and here are 5 pivotal stories from the development world to bring everyone up to speed. 5 headlines, a few minutes, let's get into it. Engineers are outsourcing optimization to the code. AI agents now rewrite their own internal frameworks. Developers are moving away from manual maintenance. These new harnesses allow AI to inspect its own performance traces. It then proposes code, updates, and validates them internally. This cycle turns static software into adaptive systems. Human teams now manage the environment instead of the mechanics. Software architects spend less time tuning low-level functions. Their role transitions to overseeing the evolution of the agent framework. The next wave of software writes its own upgrades. Next up, SQLite Edition's proposal. Database security just hit a major snag. SQLite developers, a Rust-style configuration overhaul. The current engine ignores vital foreign key constraints by default. It also disables the high-performance write-ahead log automatically. This mismatch forces developers into manual configurations just to prevent common errors. An edition-based system permits modernized defaults without breaking older software. It forces safer behavior upon new projects while keeping existing deployments stable. Engineers no longer need to manually toggle complex flags for basic security. Projects start with standard, reliable performance out of the box. Reliable data handling is finally becoming the standard. Next up, designing AI agent APIs. Software logic is moving beyond human users. Developers shift API design for AI agents. Traditional interfaces often rely on human intuition to interpret fuzzy parameters. Agents process documentation at blistering speed, turning implicit assumptions into potential system failures. Developers must now favor extreme explicitness over ease of use. Hidden magic causes agents to hallucinate logic. Precise error handling ensures these systems stay reliable at scale. Engineers are moving away from smoothing over errors. They now force agents to see exact failures. Predictability is the ultimate feature for machines. If you're finding this useful, hit like and subscribe. Next up, DeepMind ethics resignation. A major AI lab just lost talent. DeepMind researcher quits over military AI contracts. The engineer walked away after internal warnings went ignored. They specifically challenged the firm's pursuit of military-grade applications and weak oversight. This exit highlights growing tension between technical research and strategic defense partnerships. Expect more friction as labs navigate the military-commercial divide. Big tech developers now face harder choices regarding the provenance of their work. Projects previously deemed benign carry new ethical baggage. Ethics are no longer optional for successful innovation. Next up, Boop Personal Agent launch. Your messages just gained a digital assistant. Boop Agent adds automated iMessage task management. Boop connects to your text threads to handle requests. It leverages the Claude Agent SDK or Codex runtime to execute tasks. This bridge turns simple chat into an active automation engine. Users gain direct control over complex workflows without leaving their primary chat app. It makes system-wide management feel as natural as sending a text. Developers can now build workflows that respond to incoming SMS prompts instantly. It removes the need to switch contexts just to trigger a process. The future of mobile interaction is conversational control. Catch the next update whenever these systems evolve again. Found this handy? Like it, share it, and subscribe for more.